Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at how to fix the Microsoft Store not working on Windows 11. First, try resetting the Microsoft Store cache. This step fixes many common problems. Click on the Start menu and type WS Reset. Right-click on WS Reset and choose Run as Administrator. A black window will appear for a few seconds. Do not close it. Once the process finishes, the Microsoft Store should open by itself. Check if it is working properly. If the Microsoft Store still does not open or load correctly, you should repair or reset the app. Right-click on the Start button. Click on Installed Apps. Scroll down and find the Microsoft Store. Click on the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. First, click Repair and wait until the process completes. If that does not fix the issue, click Reset. This will reset the app, and you may need to sign in again. The last step is to check for Windows updates. Open Settings and click on Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. Restart your computer after the updates are installed. After completing these steps, the Microsoft Store should be working normally on your Windows 11 system. Thanks for watching.